If you're in the market for a new pair of sneakers to wear on a daily basis, then check out the New Balance 2002 Refined Future Pack in the Slate Grey colorway.
I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it, then I'm never going back. Get it, then I'm never going back. I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it, then I'm never going back. Get it, then I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it, then I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it, then I'm never.
Before we get into this, don't forget to subscribe and like my video and help a gentleman hit that 1,000 subscriber milestone. In no way am I telling you what to wear or what to buy, but here it is why. Firstly, the Refined Future Pack is a limited edition collection that features 3 unique colorways of the New Balance 2002. The colorways are inspired by the natural elements, featuring designs which have earth tone hues that are sure to make a statement wherever you go. The color options include driftwood with timberwolf and sea salt, New Balance navy with Arctic grey and light Arctic grey, and black with concrete and silver metallic. I think I should have gone with the black only because I've seen other reviews and these sneakers pop. So I should have got them as well, but oh well. It is what it is.
Get it, then I'm never going. I get to it off the runway. Different incomes, not one way. Living life on a one way. I knew this would happen someday. You can ask my day one day. Cloudy days turn to sun rays. Only way to way up way. Know my way, know my feng shui.
With the 2023 release of the Protection Pack, you are getting similar to the early releases. Some people have said the quality of the materials are less than before. However, if you had, or if you've never had these, then you'll think that the quality is really good. I thought so. I thought the quality is really good.
I guess that when I get to it last. Get it, then I'm never going back. Get it, then I'm never going back. I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it, then I'm never going back. Get it, then I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up.
You also get a few more reflective panels and the energy branding on the end, which is different from the others. But the Refined Future Pack isn't just about style, it's also about the substance. New Balance 2000 is a shoe that is built for comfort and performance. It features a foam midsole energy tech that provides excellent cushioning and support for your feet, as well as a breathable upper that helps to keep your feet cool and dry. In addition to its comfort, the performance features, the New Balance 2000 Refined Future Pack also incorporates some unique design elements. The shoe features a synthetic and mesh upper which provides a sleek and modern look. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the New Balance 2000 is the durability. The shoe is built to last with a rubber outsole that provides excellent traction and stability on all types of terrain. Now let's talk about the sizing. The New Balance 2002 Refined Future Pack fits true to size, so you can order your regular shoe size with confidence. And while the price tag may be a little bit higher, the lifestyle sneaker, it is good quality. Now the price is around £150 and you're getting a whole lot of shoe and it will last for quite a long time. Overall, I think that New Balance 2002 Refined Future Pack is an excellent choice for anyone who is looking for a new lifestyle sneaker. It combines style, comfort, performance and durability, plus you are getting a limited edition which is currently on the shelf ready to be purchased from retail. So if you're in the market for a new pair of sneakers, I would definitely recommend these, as these are really, really good. You won't be disappointed.